are cooking roti today. So first thing, take a big bowl, add 2 cups of flour. Now slowly add water and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a small amount of water gradually. Once you knead the flour, cover the flour with a plate or wet cloth for 5 to 10 minutes. If you are in rush, you don't have to do that. Let's take a small ball of dough and flatten them with the palm of your hand. Use a rolling pin to roll out each piece into 6 to 8 diameter round. Heat the pan on medium heat. Add some oil in your first batch so that your flour won't stick to the pan. Now add your roti in the pan. It will slowly start turning brown. Flip it on the other side. Now tap on the edges of the roti slowly with a cotton cloth till it pops. If this is your first time, it might not pop. Keep trying. Well, the first one is ready. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. I made some fried potatoes, so I wanna try it with my fried potatoes. Enjoy! It's a mini taco or just the roti and potatoes. That was delicious. I hope you learned something today. If you love my recipes, make sure you share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep cooking. I'll see you next time. Namaste.